So, do you want to make money online? Well, this is the most beginner-friendly method that I'm going to show you because it involves some affiliate marketing for certain software, okay? I'm going to show you step by step what do you have to do. So, hit that subscribe and let's go. So this is the first software, this is the first tool that we're going to affiliate for, and it is called M1, okay? It is a finance app. It helps people to just track the finance, the budgets, and all of that stuff. And it also pays us the money if we go and make some people come on the website and actually sign up. This is over at m1.com, but you can just find it easily by typing M1 Finance in the Google search bar, and this is it. Now, the cool part about this one is that it works anywhere in the world, okay? It works wherever you live, and anybody can make the money with this if you just invest a bit of your time into setting this up. Now, you can see right here that they give out $10,000 to be split up when someone invests in 2023, okay? So you can mention that when you just put this out to the people on the internet, you can just mention that there is a big bonus on the website which they can take if they just sign up. So that is a good thing for us because we want to make something which is attractive, okay? We want to make this look attractive to people so they will actually go and sign up on the website, and that's going to get us the money. You will also have to mention like this, it is this APR and API. Now, this is a staking option just like crypto, but it's with real money, okay? So people can just like get that money back, so they can just use this as a savings account, okay? And they will get the interest on whatever they invest on this platform, you know? And guys, today's world is all about investment, okay? There's investment all around, and people are just looking for a way because they don't trust the banks anymore. They find the place in which they can invest some money to get that good percentage back, so they can just increase their savings accounts this way. So let's actually see how we can approach this. When you come on m1.com, you can just scroll down all the way down to the bottom of the website where you can find this. This is affiliate section. When you click on it, you will be redirected here. So you can see become an affiliate. You could earn cash when you recommend M1 Finance to your followers. Now, followers, you don't have to have like Instagram account with a lot of followers, Twitter or something like that. We can just find the people over the internet, and we can use various platforms just like Reddit, Quora, YouTube even, and you will get a lot of traffic using that. Now, you have some features which they tell what you get for promoting, and it all stands here, but I'm just gonna mention this. If you need any money to borrow, these guys can give you good interest rate, and this is so cool. So if you need to borrow some money, this is a good place to get it, and you can see what you can earn. And the best thing about this one is that they have capless commissions, okay? So capless commissions means that you don't have like a limit on how much you can earn from the website. They don't put any limits because those commissions are capless, and that is exactly what that means. Of course, you have some like comments down there, and you can actually use this when you promote this. I'm going to tell you more about that later. For now, what we have to do is we have to apply now. We have to choose one of these two. So you have M1 Invest and you have M1 Credit Card. I suggest that you take both of these, okay? Because you are increasing your chances to get money. So for example, click on this and you will be redirected to impact.com where they will give you just this simple information to fill out, and I'm not going to waste your time with it. You know what needs to be done. You choose your country, you can see that this works anywhere, and you can just complete this other information about yourself, and that's it. And this is where it gets sweet. Just take a look at this. Default payout for your affiliate people that you get on the website is $50 per order, okay? So you get $50 for each one of those people that you bring on the website. So that's a good amount of money. And apart from this, if you scroll down, you can see that for qualified funding, you can get $70. And this is for each person, okay? So if you get like, I don't know, 10 persons during 1 month, that's $700 for you recurrent commission. That means it's coming to you every month. For this one, you're going to get $500 each month sent to you just by using this. Now, what I like to do and what I use in order to get the traffic for my links is, of course, YouTube, because YouTube has a lot of traffic and you don't have to depend on the AdSense money, okay? So you don't have to be monetized on YouTube in order to get the traffic, okay? You just have to put that link in the description box. And people who are watching this video, they are most certainly interested in getting the M1 Finance app. So what you could do, and it doesn't involve making any videos, is that you just type in M1 Finance in the search bar and then just click on the filter section and then head over to these like Creative Commons. Now, Creative Commons, these are the videos which anyone can use, okay? So anyone can get this and anyone can re-upload those videos on their own respective channel, because Creative Commons means that there are no copyright issues, okay? So you won't get any strikes. Your videos will not be taken down by YouTube because Creative Commons, it's what it is. So what you could actually do is you can just go inside one of these videos and you can just download this to your computer, okay? So you can just download this one and then you can just re-upload it so a lot of people can see it, okay? And trust me, you don't have to get like a lot of views. 1,000 views is enough. Because all of those 1,000 views, well, at least 200 people, or let's say 100 people, are actually gonna go. So if 100 people make themselves an account and they make this order, you're gonna get $5,000, okay? And it's gonna come each month. So all you gotta do is to get like 1,000 views, just like this guy, for example, 1.8K, 1.9K, and they're gonna click on the description box, which you have put down in here, okay? You can see that this guy is already doing it, okay? He's showing its face, but you can just use his video. And then you can just put a link like he's doing it right here. So this is his affiliate link, and whenever someone clicks on it, he gets $50 for signing up. And that's basically it, guys. It is easy as 1, 2, 3. You just have to take some action. You just have to like apply, re-upload certain videos, and then just be patient until a lot of people see it. And honestly, guys, the good thing about YouTube is that you can get a traction on your YouTube channel for a lot of different products. So, for example, you can just add this to your YouTube channel as well. This is LifeLock, and LifeLock helps protect your accounts and identity. And these guys also have affiliate program. If you scroll all the way down to the bottom of the webpage, you will find affiliates. And these guys also give you a commission for each one of those signups. So you can actually use same YouTube channel to promote different products, okay? So it's a good thing to know, and it's a good thing to do, because you are just scaling your YouTube channel and you're getting a lot of audience, which will just click on your links in your description box. You can also find the LifeLock videos, and you can do the same thing as with M1 Finance. So just go, guys, and use it. Take the action, and I'll catch you.